shows the experiment done to know if soda can make steel rust faster. We often see rust in metals. It is a usual thing to be seen in every metal. Rust occurs in things that is wet for a long time or things that is usually touched by water. Every metal becomes rusty when reached by water from time to time. Why do metal rust? How do it occur? Question that lingers in our mind every time we see a rusty metal. Rust is usually seen in metals that gets wet with rainwater. Our knowledge about rust is only little. We only know about the fact that the rust occurs when water touches a metal. If we were to define rust, we could only define it as a chemical reaction between water and metal. Rust is common to see in every metal, especially if that metal is on areas exposed. This experiment is done by the researcher to form a study about rust. The researcher wanted to know if there is another option in making rust form faster. There are many similar researches to the study, but the difference is that in my research, the researcher would use soda as a means to know if there is another process in making rust form faster. The questions prepared by the researcher are the following questions. How fast can a soda make steel rust? It is the first question formulated by the researcher. Based on the researcher's observation, the acid of the soda could either remove the rust or make the steel The researcher did a wrong testing procedure, but through the experiment, the researcher was able to get results of rust in the objects used. The researcher used 3 types of soda. One soda was able to form rust on the object, while the other 2 wasn't able to form rust, but only was able to tarnish the object. The second question formulated by the researcher is which type of soda can make steel rust faster. The researcher used 3 types of soda. Coke, Sarsi, and RC was the 3 brands of soda used by the researcher. In these 3 sodas used, Coke is the only soda which is able to form rust through the 3-week experiment. Last question formulated by the researcher is what are the components of a soda? The researcher was able to find the components of every soda, and those sodas' components only differs from the acids present in the sodas used. But these 3 soda doesn't differ much. Both of the sodas used by the researcher contains phosphoric acid and citric acid.